Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out some cell phone cases from Crave. I have a case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the Samsung S25 Ultra, and I actually have two for the Ultra. This company makes cell phone cases for all your major cell phones. Also have portable chargers, car chargers, Bluetooth speakers, cables, just to name a few. So we're going to go ahead and check these cases out and see how they look on our phones. These are both dual guard for the Samsung S25 Ultra. So we're going to go ahead and check these out. This one is a navy and this one's forest green. Go ahead and check out the navy first. So before the S25, I had the S23 and I was using this case for my S23. So you upgrade the phone, you upgrade the case. Now I cycle through different cases. So I normally have around 3 cases that I cycle throughout the life of the phone. I don't know why, just that's what I do. So this is 2 pieces. You have your PC and your TPU material. And again, you have this classic webbing here. And that helps shock absorption if you happen to drop your phone, and goes in quite easy. Then put the hard shell on. The thing I like most about this case, there is no bulk. It's like you don't even have a case on there, but you still have the protection. You have the raised lip around your camera lenses. You're able to put your phone down where your lenses are not touching the surface. And then you also have a raised lip around your screen. Put it down this way. The other cuts down here are accurate. All the buttons work. Let's go ahead and check out the forest green. I like the black buttons right here. That's pretty cool. Well, this is a nice color here. I like the two-tone color here. I like the black buttons here, but yeah, this is real nice. Again, I really like these cases because of the fact that there's no bulk and you get the protection that you need, that you're looking for, with no bulk. All right, so I got one. This one right here is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Again, the dual guard. Got your MagSafe right here. Here's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All right, really like this color here. I like this color a lot. Now this phone's for my daughter, and the camera lens protector she has on here really doesn't match with the case, but this case is nice. Really like the color. I like to check the buttons. And then you have your camera control button. It is exposed on this, but as you can see, it's protected. Next case, this one is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know a lot of people didn't upgrade to the 16, so I had to get this case. This phone is for my wife, and told her about these cases. This is her daily driver. So you do have the MagSafe feature, and let's go ahead and check it out. Perfect cutouts here, and all the buttons work. So this thing just works for her, and she enjoys it. Pink's her favorite color, so there you go. So if you're looking for a durable case in a variety of colors and really don't have much bulk on these cases, check this one out.